In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to strike through text when a checkbox is checked in Google Sheets. This is an incredibly useful feature, especially for those of you who love organizing tasks in a to-do list format. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to have your completed tasks neatly marked with a strike-through, making it visually clear which items you've accomplished. To get started, you'll first need to have your checklist set up. Imagine you have a simple to-do list laid out in Google Sheets, and you want the associated text to be struck through once you've checked the checkbox next to it. The first thing you'll need to do is to select the cells that you want this strike-through effect applied to. These are typically the cells that contain the task descriptions. Once you've highlighted the appropriate cells, it's time to move on to the next step. Head up to the menu bar and click on the Format option. This will open up a drop-down menu where you'll need to select Conditional Formatting. Upon selecting this, a new panel titled Conditional Format Rules will appear on the right side of your screen. Now we get into the part where we craft our custom formula. Inside this panel, you'll notice a section labeled Format Rules. Click on the drop-down menu and choose Custom Formula Is. This is where we'll create a formula that tells Google Sheets when to apply the strike-through formatting. Let's go through setting up the formula. Start by typing an equals sign. Following that, you'll want to enter the location of your first checkbox. For instance, if your checkbox is located in cell B3, you'd type in B3. The idea here is to have your formula reflect the exact location of your checkbox, which may vary depending on your specific setup. Next, you'll add another equals sign and type in true. Altogether, your formula should look something like this. Keep B3 true. This formula essentially says, apply this format when the checkbox in B3 is checked. With the formula in place, it's time to decide on your formatting style. Since our goal here is to have the text struck through, simply click on the Strike Through option under the Formatting Style menu. This will ensure that whenever a checkbox is checked, the text in the corresponding cell will automatically appear with a strike through. Finally, double-check your settings, and once you're satisfied, hit that Done button. You'll see that as you check a box next to any task, the associated text now changes to a strike-through format, giving you a clear visualization of your completed tasks. And there you have it. You've now set up a functional, visually effective to-do list in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.